According to a seemingly very trustworthy tip we received, Infinix is working on a gaming-oriented smartphone that is due to launch in the first week of August, starting in India. This will be called Infinix Gt 10 Pro and is aiming to provide high gaming features at an affordable price. You can see it in the exclusive images below. The phone's back seems to adopt a nothing-like semi-transparent design, although the design is quite far from that of the Nothing phones. It's just a similar idea, but executed very differently, as you can see. The camera island especially seems like it's from an entirely different world. There's also a prevailing gaming foam aesthetic here, which is fitting. We see 3 camera sensors on the back and a ring LED flash. The main sensor will have 108 MP resolution, according to the inscription on the diagonal stripe inside the camera island.